Sara, I'm from here, and today I'm coming to talk to you about our local immersion. That it's a mix of things that you can have it on the same place. Like for example, we have dance lessons with this amazing view around. You can have Spanish lessons, some different places around to work, the accommodation, and we take you around the city also to show you the culture, our history, because we want you to be a local and not a tourist. So this is my home. I want you to be like happy on my home. So welcome anytime, and we will be waiting for you to visit us.
Patios is amazing. Everyone is so kind and friendly. And
Where are you guys from?
we're from Colorado. We did Los Patios engagement.
¿Qué están esperando? Vengan pues.